Hi, in this video we are going to understand about object restructuring using example in JavaScript. So now first we create a object user, and user has ID 1, and name should be Mansoori, and in an object I have two properties. Now in object restructuring, what will happen here? Inside the object two properties, I want to name properties into the variable. Now we can create for that I open and close curly braces. Inside I add the date property name and equal to its user object. Here what happen when from user this property extract, the property name is same and it is considered as a variable. Now I print out here in a log name. Now I run this file. Name is Mansoori, and for testing purpose I add test user and again run this file. Name is test user. So this way we can destructure any property of object